Oh, this whole time I'm not even sharing my screen.
I don't have the ability to share your screen.
Oh my god, what am I even doing? Correct. Wait, what? I already hit Tech Profit? I guess so. Hey man, I don't really need much more than that. Gold right now. Yeah, just took it on the nose. Clean. So, if I have to explain my entry right here, just 1 second. Let me just focus on my NQ first. I'll explain the entry later because NQ is kind of printing too. I'm taking all the way to London. I was over check 536. Yeah, I'm going 536. So this last 530. I personally want these ones. Personally, not trying to be too greedy right now because NQ is not my thing, so I'd rather take these lows. These lows are very much possible to be taken, but later on I'll see if I'll move my take profit or not. So. Yeah, I'm not even sharing my screen. Yeah, I hate when this happens. So basically, I'm not able to share my screen on NQ, but I already took my position on gold. I'll just explain. I need to practice this. Okay, so I'll go down under 5 minutes, which is where I got my entry. So we were inversing after we manipulated taking these London highs right here. As you can see, the market open was around 9, but I'd consider 7 around that time. If we're taking London highs around 7, to me that's some manipulation. But anyways, New York really, the pre-market is at 8. So we didn't break above this. Our value gap was making us struggle. Then we close above 50% of the opening range with a fair value gap and an engulfing candle. So that was more of a confirmation downside. So now I'm targeting London lows. And after we got this closure, or the retest of this fair value gap, I got an early entry. Okay, which I could have gotten this entry here. But I just wanted to get in earlier and be safer. And we retapped it again. That could have been a second entry. And if you go down in a 15-minute, this was my confirmation, which gave me the confirmation to enter on this, because when the 15-minute closed below the orb, it's most likely that we're coming down, especially like this. So yeah, and I was targeting London lows, but all I really needed was this low to make 1K to pass my other funded account. So I didn't need all the way London lows, but that's where we were going. And if we close like this with a fair value gap, and if once the next 15 minutes that opened closed, that will confirm the fair value gap with a bearish engulfing candle. If it gets any type of retest, which I doubt it would, because it's also engulfing this, which is more confirmation that we're coming down to Asia lows. So that would have been my take profit too, but this week I'm not trading that much. I don't know. I'm just trying to pass as much funded account as I can, not trying to trade real capital, because I already got enough within the beginning of the week. Anyways, like I said, if it can even wait, because this looked like a breakaway gap. If I go on a 5-minute, yeah, I don't think this one could just retest and come down. If I wanted a second entry, I would have gotten a second entry right here. And at the inversion of that, at the inversion of this fair value gap, I would get out. Yeah. But it seems like we're bearish for now. Ooh, I forgot to even join my Discord. Probably forgetting everything. I think I need to start waking up like 30 minutes early or something. Because I wake up 15 minutes when the orb is already placed. And if the position shows up early, I already forget about everything, going live, going anything. But yeah, I already got what I needed for that time, and I already I basically just passed my account. Let me check Alpha Future. So now I can buy another one. That's how I basically do. I pass accounts up one at a time. So a week I've just been passing account. That's my 6th account. Trying to pass like 15. Wednesday. Tomorrow I'm maxing. I'm gonna try to pass 4 tomorrow. Just like I said. Dolphin candle, 15-minute building. This one is not going to be inverted. So I doubt that we're going to spend too much time in here. Because the 5 minutes is already giving a test. That's 5-7. No. So yeah, most likely this one will be shaved down all the way to here. It'll most likely get shaved down all the way there. Yeah, just like I said. Then it'll start coming back down. I'll learn to read them time frames, buddy. Gotta learn. Because if it's bearish, this is the perfect thing. Enter here. Bam, here. The first take profit right here. Second take profit below here. Need more confirmation. Ooh. Then now I'm no longer bearish. I would have gone in, I would have gone out right here. This is 1 pip. So I would have been in drawdown by 1 pip. This is still bearish, but it's just not my perfect entry, you know. Would have gone in and gone out because it deleted the 15 minutes. The 5 is still good enough to go off of, but that is only going to give you a retest of here, but not all the way here. A confirmation of going all the way here. It's possible of happening, but I'm just not as confident as I was in because we have these right here. Until we inverse these, I'm not really confident on that, but by the time we inverse these, we can just run. So that's why the first position breakout, I got in the retest. Sometimes it's harder to get, but once you get it, it's one of those, it feels good to be in it because it's very good. Anyways, why am I even trying this? But yeah. A dumbass over leverage on my Apex account a little bit. Not even a little bit, completely a lot. And by the time I return to the chart, it's gone. Like, what is this? Nobody's following, nobody's hanging out. This, I would have caught a nice entry on this one. What up? Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's a nice entry right here. That right here in and of itself. Because breakout with the fair value gap confirmed inside the fair value gap. Bam. I think I might get in this on something else, bro. Especially with this inversion. As long as we don't inverse this, I like it. Everything is just big out, big out. The sky's going up. I like, where this is what? Still weekly highs. Yeah, we took these. Yeah, just week to take these. The previous week highs, I guess. Oh, no, that's still the weekly high. Okay, that is the actual weekly high. Okay, you can go and take the weekly high, but this can also be a problem. Break even here. Big profit here. We would have to see. Okay. It seems like a never mind, my guy. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. That boy is gone. If he's gone, then the others are going to be gone soon. Oh yeah, he's gone too. Ooh, he's leaving too. He's going to that high. I went to sleep. I was in a nice low pad. I could have entered history right now. I still don't have my live account yet. Like I said, we'll take these highs. Then it will take. Damn, ES was clean. No, it wasn't. I would have not gotten my position on ES. Yes, it's still so. That's why I like NQ better. See? I would have gotten 2 position on NQ. Closure above. This would have been my first position. We have a big ass for value gap like this and we're close above. After this retest, I would have entered the top here, exit, and then this closure above here would have given me the breakout retest model. Because this closure would have confirmed that we're going back up. And then after we get this second closure again, that's the retest. It came back in the 5 minutes. It came back. Now I would have entered here. Take profit 1. Take profit 2 is here. It might struggle here. It might not. We shall see. How can I share my other screen? Okay, finally I can share it. Oh. I might need to bring in my second screen now. You know what, bro? This is enough for me. Breakout retest. I don't want the other beam and pop. No, this is fine. It says 2 people watching. Who's two? Other 2 person? Promise you said 2 people 2 seconds ago. Crazy. You don't even care about all that. Anyway, yo, I feel like moving my take profit so badly to like to 900, you know, because I see it going. But I also do not feel like being greedy, especially today. This boy has been retested many times, bro. Many times. Man, I don't know. Thank you, definitely flying. ESS definitely flying. But I'm gonna take my take profit where I should take my take profit and get out. We will. Okay, perfect. Yep. Yep. I don't feel like sitting down. You better take that shit. Keep us flying. Flying to the neon, buddy. Flying to the neon. Start being delusional. I'm not even analyzing anymore every candle. Just hoping for take profit. That's crazy. Just because I want to put a clip on me, it has to happen. Okay. 15 minutes closure ago. Yeah, that guy's flying. Putting stop loss to break even once it fly there, but I'm not closing there anymore. Nope. Agree and wolves. I got greedy and I got balls. This is my funded account. If I build the first good buffer, I'm good for a long time. What happened to gold? Yay, just like I said. It's going down. It's going down now. It's going down, but it's just not going down how I like it to go down because this can reverse at any time. Like I said, we'll take it this low. But anyways, this guy is the guy. I'm not even sharing my gold stream. Thinking I look crazy and sound crazy. I'm talking to myself like, anyways, I don't care when it's money. You can see Danny is fine. Yo, I can't answer. This is a proof. I can't answer because I'm on stream, so I can't answer. Anyways, I ain't going to answer. I gotta log in. Yeah, I need to show you this quick and then get out of here. Gold. Gold is flying down to a second level that I wanted, but I'm not getting in because I don't need it. And right now it's not as perfect as I want it to be, so I don't want to. Gold is just being gold lately, so I'm gonna just go back to my other one Let me see quick, because it's about to hit profit. It's running, buddy. That's right, it's running. This is running. See, I didn't take profit, man. I didn't take profit. I got balls now. How we don't take profit, but we still go stop loss to break even. You know what I mean? Okay, stop loss to break even. I like this platform way more. Yo, I don't know why my laptop is glitching now. Maybe to tab open. Yeah, I'm sorry for the video quality, bro. That is glitching hard. But it don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't We hit break even. I hit break even. I hit break even. I hit break even. Break even. Break even. I don't care anymore. That's fine. I don't care anymore. 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 It's gonna take it all out. Anymore. Anymore. I do not care anymore longer. Anymore. Anymore. Anyways, I should care. I should not be doing that. But see, when this guy inverts all of this, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna pack it up. Go right to sleep. Because we're chasing. And Q, I was kind of delusional to even think I was going to predict the Q, just because I saw ES coming down a little bit. Now they're offline. If we invest this 1 hour, it might be gone. Something is telling me to go to do this, you know. But I won't do that, you know. If I do that, man, see this high, not bad. 6,000, especially I'm in an account that's no. There's no consistency. So I can make as much as I want. I mean, just go to sleep. And they'll pay me. So I guess. Why did I not even? Where's the orb? Damn, this is ugly. Oh my gosh. Yo. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy beyond fucking live. Yo, I'm never stopping going to live again. This time is crazy, man. This is clean, bro. Just one more little push and I'm clean in there. I just need the hourly to close. That's it. As soon as the hourly close, we're inversing this hourly. There's a big ass fair value gap in the hourly. As soon as that one closes, then the position is confirmed. I mean, the position is already confirmed. We're like damn near take profit, but like, yeah, because there's a big chance to come back and retest all the way here, and our retest is gonna put us in drawdown, but it is still going back up because this 15 is just closing. Oh, nah, that's a breakaway gap. If we close like this in a minute, that's a breakaway gap. We're not coming all the way back down. It must be in my. Yep, that's what it's doing. Okay, just wait. So now that we're expecting a retest, I'm going to open and risk a little bit more because I know we're bullish, but I can see us coming all the way down. Retest and go back.
The OGs are Sydney. It's a good idea. A great idea, even. Having Timmy on for TJR to do an unprofitable but profitable challenge is going to be hilarious, but let's be real. The OGs are always better than the remakes. They literally are always better than the remakes. It's a good idea.
Somebody said back to profit. We're back in profit. We're back in profit. I mean, we always was in profit. I just want this 15 to comfort and go. I want to buy another fund account for Port is so bad right now, but no.
It's a good idea.
Man, boy, I said, sent you chat, boy. My niggas stay up. The fuck? Everybody be coming again. The fuck? Alright? Now y'all get to the dollar. Now y'all want really good. Check this out.
Just because you fit in there doesn't make you belong.
Somebody gives to Donald filters. Check this out. I got shit at home. I got hella money. I got shit at home.
So in Q, not in Q. IM is trying to fucking test me. He's trying to test if I'm that guy, but I know I'm that guy. I'm not switching. I'm not switching my paths. It's either taking profit, but it's going to blow this account. I don't care. I don't care. Pull on shoulder. Put on. I don't care. I dropped them. I don't care. Because I know you're going back up. You have to. Yes, you go back up. You will. As you shall. Anyways, that's not the point. I want to come here and show gold because I'm about to get off. It's 10:45. Told myself I wouldn't trade I-11 this week because this is a manipulation week. So we got, if people don't watch out, you're just going to lose your account. Nothing else. Yo, I don't like how good my camera is. Before it would not be able to show these pictures. Now you can see every little thing in my room. So fuck, I gotta upgrade my room. That's crazy. Anyways, bro. As you can see, my boy Gold is going. The M5 was able to hold. All the way down here at these lows. So it took these lows. That's what I keep saying. It's not the same market before. It's like you target specific because before it was so simple. We target specific session lows and straight boom, boom, boom. We just take them off. But now we actually take time frame lows. Like took the M5 lows, Might be reversing. Kind of inverted a couple of her value gaps. We tested this again, which has already been medicated. So there was a chance that it wouldn't hold. This one could just be a retest and continue up because this M5 hasn't closed yet. It's like it's so indecisive. But before it was just, by the time I would have got this retest, the next one was coming all the way down. You know? Now, times have changed. But yeah, anyways, I'm in there until I'm not in there. I don't know what I'm talking about. Just like, like looking at it, I would have been in there if I had my live accounts and stuff. It was a normal week, but next week we'll be back. This week we'll just load up unfunded accounts. But yeah, these lows. Actually, let me know a lie. I have a small position that's it's just one of another challenge that I'm starting again. So it's basically, I don't know if the camera can see. It's a $50 account that I'm trying to take up to 1,000 by the end of the week. Then 3, 4. Next step is 10. Last account is stopped at 8.5. That was a nice gap. Then this one is 10. 10, actually no, 15. 15 is like better than 16. The last one stopped at 2. Then this one stopped at 8. Anyways, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, basically, gold is making people money. So I'm out. I'm done trading for now. But it looks like we're taking these Asia lows though. Because if this 5-minute close inversing all of this, then yeah, you're back in for good. Yeah. Might even add some more position on this one. Yeah, as you can see, I added some more position. Oh, yeah. I'm good for the trade today. Thank you one time. Stream is done for today. It's almost 10:45, so we'll not trade past 10:45. Just won't do it this week. Can't do it to myself. So have a good day.